Hello everyone, I am your English teacher from Silver Bell School and today we are going to start our Unit 3 of Class 7 of English subject and the chapter name is Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. So before we read the story, have you ever read a comic book? आप सबने कभी ना कभी कॉमिक बुक पढ़ी होगी और मैगजीन्स के अंदर भी कॉमिक स्टोरीज आती हैं. अ कॉमिक बुक कंटेन स्टोरीज टोल्ड मेनली थ्रू पिक्चर्स. जो कॉमिक स्टोरीज होती है वो मोस्टली पिक्चर्स के थ्रू होती है. वेयर द स्टोरी इज डिस्क्राइब्ड थ्रू पिक्चर्स. सो लेट मी टेल यू द समरी ऑफ द चैप्टर फर्स्ट. हियर it was the season for Hilsa fish. The fishermen caught a lot of them. They sold them in the market. The prices, they said, were down. This news was discussed by all householders. They were amazed that the fish came to such a low price. In this chapter, we are talking about Hilsa fish. In the palace also the courtiers discussed the matters. A courtier showed the king a big fish he had caught. The king lost his temper. The courtier became silent and sad. The king realized his mistake. He told that even Gopal couldn't stop anyone from talking about Hilsa. Gopal protested. He said he could do that. The king then challenged him to bring a fish to the palace without anyone asking a word about it. Since Gopal accepted the challenge, he started working accordingly. He became half-shaven and covered himself with ash. When his wife asked him the reason about his peculiar look, he said that he was dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. His wife thought he had gone mad. Gopal bought the Hilsa and started walking toward the palace. A child cried that the man was comical. Another called him a madman. The third mistook him for a mystic. But no one talked about the fish. Gopal reached the court. He told the guards that he wanted to see the king. They didn't allow him to enter. Gopal began dancing and crying loudly. They reported the matter to the king. The king ordered to bring him to the court. Gopal introduced himself before the king. The king asked him why he was dressed up in that fashion. Gopal explained that when he was coming to the palace, not a single man spoke about Hilsa fish. Everyone got attracted towards his peculiar look. They didn't mind the fish. The king remembered the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. He congratulated Gopal on his achieving the impossible. Now look at the first picture. It was the season for Hilsa fish. As I told you before, fishermen could think of nothing but Hilsa fish. यहाँ पे सब फिशरमैन सिर्फ और सिर्फ हिल्सा फिश के बारे में ही सोच रहे हैं. फिश मॉन्गर्स सोल्ड नथिंग बट हिल्सा फिश. फिश मॉन्गर्स आर ऑल्सो सेलिंग द हिल्सा फिश. कम बाय द प्राइस ऑफ हिल्सा फिश इज डाउन टुडे. आज जो हिल्सा फिश की प्राइस है वो बहुत ही डाउन है. Householders could talk of nothing but Hilsa fish. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. So here, Hilsa is a popular fish found in rivers of India. It is mostly sold during monsoon season. In the story, the season is probably of monsoon. And in the kingdom, everyone seems talking about the Hilsa fish. पूरे kingdom में सब लोग Hilsa fish के बारे में ही बात कर रहे हैं. And in the palace too, the courtiers could discuss nothing but Hilsa fish. Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge Hilsa I caught it was. So, fishermen catching no other fish in particular but only focusing on Hilsa fish. Even in the market, fish merchants selling Hilsa in great gusto. That means in great quantity. They are offering even discounts and other hacks to lure customers. The height of popularity reaches inside the king's palace. Even the ministers and courtiers found gossiping and discussing Hilsa fish. Here, Hilsa fish seems to be an important topic over other state affairs. So you can see the picture. Stop it. Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The courtier fell silent with downcast eyes. The king felt guilty. I am sorry, I lost my temper. It is the season for hilsa fish and no one. Here all are talking about the hilsa fish. So the king got angry. Not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about hilsa fish. Not even for 5 minutes. Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. Here Gopal is accepting the challenge. Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. So, here so much stupidity all around. This angers the king. He wants that to be stopped. The king is shocked to find Gopal talking about the hilsa fish. Gopal is a courtier in the court. The king challenges Gopal to bring hilsa fish in the palace without getting hyped about it. Gopal accepts the challenge. Now look at these pictures. A few days later, why is your face half shaven? I am dressing up to buy a fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? I told you I am dressing up to buy a hilsa fish. So, a few days later, Gopal gets half shaven and smears ash on his face and takes on torn and dirty clothes. Now he looks like a filthy beggar. His wife opposes him, but he listens nothing. यहाँ पे गोपाल की जो वाइफ है उसको अपोज कर रही है, लेकिन गोपाल किसी की नहीं सुन रहा है. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman, I am out to buy a huge hilsa fish. It's happened to him. He is gone mad. His wife is telling that he is gone mad. From the market, he buys a hilsa fish and walks towards the palace. You can see the dialogues. Gopal bought the hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? He must be a madman. Hush, I think he is a mystic. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? I want to see the king. So, from the market, Gopal buys a hilsa fish and walks toward the palace. No one is interested in the fish carried by him. At the palace's gates, he is stopped by the guards. They think he is some beggar. He insists on meeting the king upon causing some commotion. The king allows the man to come in. That we can see in this dialogues or pictures. You can't see the king get away with you. यहाँ पे जो king कटियर के बाहर जो गार्ड्स खड़े हैं वो गोपाल को अंदर आने के लिए मना कर रहे हैं. गोपाल began to dance and sing loudly. Then after that the king allows the man to come in. Here inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. Gopal is telling here that he want to see the king. Bring that man to me at once. King told that bring that man to me at once. Yes, Your Majesty. Gopal was brought before the king. It's Gopal. गोपाल को किंग के सामने लाया जाता है. And finally he is Gopal. King recognized him. So here other people are talking. The man has lost his mind. I think it's one of his crazy jokes. So in the palace, the king recognizes him from his journey to fish market to the palace. No one bothers to see what he is carrying. No one gives attention when a person looks like a rag, picker or beggar. Thus, in a very cunning way, Gopal accomplishes the challenge. Gopal यहाँ पे challenge पूरी करता है. He wins the heart of the king. So here, all right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. King is asking to Gopal that why he dressed up in this ridiculous fashion. So Gopal बताता है कि आप कुछ भूल रहे हैं Majesty. Forgotten something? Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about हिल्सा फिश. मार्केट से लेके पैलेस तक किसी ने भी हिल्सा फिश के बारे में कोई बात नहीं की. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to गोपाल. इसके बाद जो किंग है उनको चैलेंज याद आती है कि जो उन्होंने गोपाल को दी थी. हाँ, वेल गोपाल, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, यू हैव अचीव्ड द इम्पॉसिबल वंस अगेन. तुमने वापस इम्पॉसिबल को पॉसिबल कर दिखाया. So the moral of the story is Gopal had no need to take up the challenge as he was the courtier in the king's palace. He could have declined it and continue leading the luxurious life as usual. However, Gopal cared about his king and his feelings, thus he took up the challenge. Yes, the challenge was not huge. It proved that during the times of emergency, Gopal will definitely help his king and the people of the kingdom. Another moral is that taking challenge in life is good and makes one popular. A person like Gopal, who has been appointed on the higher rank of courtier, is so down to earth that he literally dressed like a beggar. Never run away from the challenges. Be open to them and accept them like a brave man. So यहाँ पे हमारा ये मोरल है कि लाइफ में कोई भी चैलेंजेस हमें एक्सेप्ट करनी चाहिए and we should not run away from the challenges. So our chapter is completed here. Read and revise it once again. Thank you.